Alright guys, and welcome to this particular video. So on this video guys, I want to be continuing from where I stopped on the last video that I made concerning the SoSoVALUE airdrop. On that video, I actually showed you guys how you can be able to withdraw back your money after you have completed your SoSoVALUE real user verification. Of course, completing the real user verification requires money, right? So I made that video about how you can be able to get that money back, and this is the video right here. I posted the video about 3 days ago, and of course a lot of people watched it, and I received a lot of questions about that particular video because some people were asking me how they can be able to locate where the money is, or where those funds are when after withdrawing it back. So on this video, I'm going to be answering some certain questions, and I'm going to be making it a lot clearer for you. So if you want to be learning how you can be able to get back your money after using it to complete the SoSoVALUE airdrop real user probability test, then you go ahead and watch this particular video right here. Okay, so before I continue from here, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, or if you are just coming across our channel for the first time, please kindly do well to subscribe. On this particular channel, I present to you guys a lot of money making opportunities. I teach you about AI, and I teach you about how to make money online in general. So right now, let's continue with this particular video. So on that previous video, we actually withdrew our MAG7. We withdrew it, but we withdrew the staked MAG7. So right now, to be able to get back your actual MAG7 and see it inside your wallet, this is what you need to do. Scroll down until you see here that we have get SSI. Now click on it. Once you click on it, it is going to take you to the next page, which is of course where you can do a lot of activities, including staking, unstaking, and of course you get some airdrop right here also. The first thing you need to do is to click over here on this wallet button. Make sure the wallet that you are connecting is the wallet that you use to withdraw back your MAG7. So over here, just click on this straight line, then you can see stake to earn. Okay, once you click on it, it will load the data on your wallet, and you are going to be seeing your SMAG7. On that particular video, we withdrew SMAG7. This SMAG7 simply means staked MAG7, because when you stake MAG7, you are going to get SMAG7 as an evidence. So right now, once you have got SMAG7, what you need to do is very simple. So to be able to withdraw it back, you simply come over here to unstake. Okay, once you are here on unstake, what you need to do is very easy. Simply select the amount you want to unstake. For example, I will be unstaking every single thing. So over here, I'm going to be getting the same equivalent on MAG7. SMAG7 is different from MAG7. So when we actually unstake this, that is when we are going to be getting the actual MAG7, and then we can see it inside our wallet. So over here, when I click on unstake right now, stay sharp, because on this video I'm going to be answering some questions that you probably want to know the answer to. So over here right now, it is going to pop up your wallet, which is going to require you to confirm the transaction. I will simply click on confirm, and once I click on confirm like this, then I will just give it a little time to actually complete. Okay, so over here right now, you can see we have successfully unstaked right now, and of course check your reward. When you click on it right now, this is where you can see the reward that you actually got for staking your token. So over here you can see this is the total point that I've got so far, and of course this is the actual value on SoSoVALUE. All right, so over here guys, you can see this is my loyalty points right here, and of course a lot of things follows. All right, so a lot of you may be wondering, when are we going to be getting our snapshots? We are going to be getting our snapshot on this month of April, and of course if you actually use your money for the SoSoVALUE real user verification, okay, if you have actually spent your money right here, you need to wait for at least 14 days before you can go ahead and withdraw it. Okay, you need to wait for 14 days. Okay, after that you can then withdraw it back, following the process that I took on the previous video that I made, which is this video right here. And from here right now, you can see our balance has actually decreased. You can see we no longer have SMAG7, and of course even if you look over here, you can see that we still don't have the MAG7. Now when you come back to unstaking, you will see that it's still not there, none of it is here. But what this is where it lies. If you look over here right now, you can see the seed SSI token are available for withdrawal after 14 days. available for withdrawal 14 days after unstaking, meaning that now that I have unstaked my MAG7, which I actually stake with the purpose of verifying my real reserve verification right there on the SoSoVALUE. After you have unstaked it, just like I did mine right now, you need to wait for 14 days. Okay, you need to wait for 14 days before you can be able to withdraw it out. Now when you come over here to withdrawing, you can see that it is going to be available for me to withdraw it on the 15th of April. Okay, so this is simply what you need to know, and if you watch this video right here, you will learn how you can be able to withdraw it from the vault. And this particular video right here actually teaches you how you can be able to unstake it. All right, so that is just how simple it is. Let me go to our YouTube and take some question right there. So over here you can see this guy is asking when can we get the snapshot. We are getting the snapshot this month, but we don't know the actual date. And this guy right here says if you are not 100%, if you are not 100% not eligible, me 35%, tell actually I don't really understand this person's question, but I think he's trying to ask if you'll be eligible if you didn't get up to 100. The fact remains that if you didn't achieve 100%, you won't be eligible. Now this guy said, how can I make, I don't know, 100 up? I don't know, I didn't get this. Okay, so he said, can we withdraw it immediately after completing the human test? No, you cannot withdraw it immediately. You need to wait for 14 days before you can be able to withdraw. Now this guy said, when is the snapshot? Like I said earlier, the snapshot is going to be this month, but nobody really knows the actual date. Now this guy said, bro, I found my account to verify the humanity to 60%. I have already paid for the MAG7 since last upper week till now is not yet verified. It cannot be verified until you have completed all the necessary steps right there. All right, so I made a separate video for that. You can check out the video on my channel to actually learn how you can be able to verify it step by step. All right, thank you so much for watching the video. I'll be stopping right here. If you have any question, if you still have any question, let me have it right there on the comment section, guys, and I'll be talking to you on the next video that is going to be dropping very soon.